This 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyper-Lyte 26 RLHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, leveling jacks, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, DVD player, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, skylight, TV, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyper-Lyte 26 RLHL is 5,728 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.